How to count the frequency of the elements in an unordered list. Given an unordered list of values like, how can I get the frequency of each value that appears in the list, like so?
In Python 2.7, or newer, you can use collections.counter. If you are using Python 2.6 or older, you can download an implementation here.
If the list is sorted, you can use groupby from the itertools standard library. If it isn't, you can just sort it first, although this takes ONLGN time. Output.
Python 2.7 Plus introduces dictionary comprehension. Building the dictionary from the list will get you the count as well as get rid of duplicates.
Count the number of appearances manually by iterating through the list and counting them up, using a collections.defaultIc to track what has been seen so far.
In Python 2.7 Plus, you could use collections.counter to count items.
It was sorted out, plus inserted credit.